Welcome to this tutorial on how to get unlimited coins on iflirts app for free in 2023. If you're tired of running out of coins and having to spend real money to buy more, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use a special website that allows you to download a mode for iflirts and generate unlimited coins. First, open your browser and go to GetMode's website. This is the website that hosts the mod file and the coin generator tool. Once you're on the site, click on the Download Mod mode to start the download process. Depending on your device and internet speed, it may take a few minutes to complete. Once the mode file is downloaded, install it on your device following the instructions provided. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions and disable any security settings that may block the installation. The mod will modify the original iflirts app and add the unlimited coins feature. Now, launch the modded iflirts app and go to the coin generator section. Here, you can select the amount of coins you want to generate and start the process. The generator will use a special algorithm to simulate in-app purchases and add the coins to your account. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to get as many coins as you need. That's it. With this mode and generator, you can enjoy unlimited coins on iflirts without spending a dime. Just remember to use this at your own risk and be aware of any potential security risk. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.